How to use Copilot AI step-by-step tutorial 2025. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you really quickly on how you can use the Copilot AI for yourself. And obviously, if you want to go ahead and get Copilot AI for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. Now, Copilot is an AI that you can find on Microsoft Edge for yourself, okay? And to use it, what you're going to be doing is it's like any chatbot out there. If you use ChatGPT or you've used Gemini, then you definitely know how to use Copilot AI. All you're going to do is down here in your chat box, you're going to go ahead and write in any prompt for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and ask it a question like, tell me the, let's go ahead with richest leaders in the world. Okay, so let's go ahead and ask it this question. Now, once you ask it a question, as you can see, it starts giving you the net worth and the proper description of the leaders of the world who are in the richest category. So, this is how incredible Copilot is. And obviously, you can go on and also chat to it through a microphone. So if I come over here, I can
Hey
ask it.
Saeem, Hey Saeem.
So as you can see, the Copilot AI actually talks to you. That it's a pretty good feature that if you don't want to type, you can simply chat to it. Then moving on, you can upload images to get references from it. Then moving on, they also have a dashboard section where they give you ideas to explore, the main you could say different questions that you can probably ask, and even take image references. So let's say I'm going to ask it, I'm going to add this and I'm going to write find source. Okay. So it's a pretty simple prompt, but I'm simply going to ask it to find the source of this image. And once you do that, it will basically go ahead and look at that. It actually finds all of the sources where this is used. Now, moving on, you can also have it generate images for you. So let's say I'm going to write generate image of, let's say, Johnny Depp on a roller coaster. Okay. Totally random prompt, but if you ask it to generate it, as you can see, it will give it an, as it says, seems like my image generation tool didn't kick in this time. Let's give it another go. Obviously, go ahead and make sure to rephrase it, make it better. So if I come here, I'm going to go ahead and ask it to generate something. Generate image of dog on swing. Okay, so let me give it something like that. And look at that. So it starts generating the image for you. So that is how incredible Copilot AI is, and that is how you are going to be using it for yourself. Now, how incredible is that image? Now, if you want to use this for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below, and that is going to be all from me. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.